Hi, I'm Brad Hosler.
And I'm Allie Hosler. We're your trusted roofing experts at our local family business, DryTech Exteriors here in Dayton, Ohio. When it comes to roofing in Dayton, it's important to understand, despite your wide range of options, which ones are the best for your home, how that roof should be installed correctly, and why choosing the right roofing company matters.
There is no one-size-fits-all roof type for Dayton residential and commercial roofing. The options can honestly be overwhelming. That's why you can trust our team at DryTech Exteriors to present you with only one right option for your home or business. Regardless if you need the roof over your home replaced or repaired, DryTech has you covered.
How do we determine specifically your roof's needs? Our extremely detailed inspection process. When you call DryTech Exteriors, you'll speak with a cheerful professional member of our DryTech family who will gather your information and needs and provide you with a day and time for a free roof inspection by a highly educated DryTech Exteriors roofing expert. Your account manager will show up on time and complete a very detailed inspection of your roof structure and condition, and then advise you on your options on site.
The installation of roofing is a precise process that requires an experienced professional for long-term results. Proper installation ensures the roof's longevity and performance, and we do not take that responsibility lightly. Now, what happens if asphalt roofing is done incorrectly or unprofessionally? This is crucial to understand. You could face leaks, voided material warranties, damage to your property, and costly repairs down the road. It's vital to choose a trusted roofing company with experienced professionals who are local, licensed and insured, and follow industry's best practices.
What makes DryTech Exteriors the very best choice in protecting your great investment? We stand out in the roofing industry for several reasons. We have a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals who are committed to delivering top quality roofing services. We use the best materials and follow industry standards to ensure your roof is installed correctly the first time. Plus, we offer unmatched warranties to give you peace of mind knowing your home is protected.
For years, DryTech Exteriors has been voted Best of Dayton, the next door neighborhood favorite, and we were awarded the Better Business Bureau Eclipse Integrity Torch Award. We have even earned the Owens Corning Platinum Preferred status, putting us in the top 1% of roofers in the country for customer satisfaction, quality, and financial stability. DryTech Exteriors has also received more 5-star reviews than any other Dayton roofing company. When done right by a professional team like ours, roofing can enhance the comfort, protection, and value of your property. Don't take risks with your roof. Choose DryTech Exteriors for all your roofing needs. Contact our family business today for a free consultation.